Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you click subscribe. I recently realized that I haven't done a Rwandan tag or a Rwandan tag, and because there are not a lot of Rwandan tag out there, so I just made a little questionnaire. I'll leave the questions that I answered down in the description box below. So first question, what's your Rwandan name and what's the meaning of your Rwandan name? My Rwandan name is Hoza, and it means Ghana, it's like come or go to. Umuhoza, Umuhoza, somebody who can how do you call it? Guhoza pita. Ganumuhoza just means, go to somebody or come to me who's gonna wipe off your tears. That's what I can. Who's gonna make you feel better? Who's gonna make you stronger? Come to your mama. Okay, I'm gonna make you feel better. Okay, I guess. So that's what it means. So number 2, were you born in your country and where did you live? So I wasn't born in Rwanda. I was born in Equatorial Guinea, but I did grow up in Rwanda. I lived in Rwanda for probably more than 10 years, 12, 13 years, and I lived in the southern province in Butare. Yes, I miss my hometown. Shout out to people from Matiazo and Goma. Of course, that's where I lived. Number 3, what are the good facts about your country? Definitely how fast the development of Rwanda is. I mean, I guess everybody knows about this. Rwanda is a really good example of a small country who went like so fast and just grew so fast in every way, and I'm just proud of that. And it's a fact, people, it's a fact. Okay, a bad fact about your country, bad fact is probably our history. We have a bad history. I guess everybody knows about the genocide of 1994. When I was younger, I used to Google Rwanda, and when I wrote Rwanda in that search box, immediately Google added like Rwanda genocide, and it's hurtful. Like, it's good that people know about it, but it doesn't define us anymore. Like, we are not, like, Rwanda is different now. So, but it's a good thing that we've learned from the past, from our mistakes, and I hope we are going for a better future. It's incredible how we have come from that dark place to today. Today, Rwanda is a beautiful country, and I'm very, very proud of my country. Number 5, what do I love about my country? I love some traditions. For instance, I'm gonna say one thing that I love. I love the traditional marriage tradition, but I hate one thing. It takes so damn long. Like, people will be there for 6 hours, 2 families trying to discuss, are you sure you want my daughter? Did you bring enough alcohol? Like, seriously though, like, we call it gusaba, I love it, but it takes so damn long. People fall asleep during that ceremony. Why do they have to make it 6 hours? Why can't you make it 2 hours maximum? Like, bruh, seriously? I'm confused. You get to dress up in our traditional ways, you get to be creative, and it is expensive though. It is expensive. Nowadays, people make really expensive ceremonies. When I look at pictures, I'm like, ooh. Like, yeah, people have taken it to another level. But you know what? I love the ceremony. It's fun and everybody is excited to dress up. Everybody knows that I have to have my umukenyero, I have to have my umushanana, and it's just so great. But the fact that it takes 6 hours, like, for real. But it's a great ceremony. What do I hate about my country? It's not actually about my country, but more about some people in my country. Some of the people are really mean. Some people are so jealous. I was raised by a single mom. I mean, we have a biological father, but they separated when we were very, very young. So that's why we left Equatorial Guinea to live in Rwanda. I remember growing up, my mom faced a lot of negative people. People were so jealous, and people would not understand how a single mom can reach her goals, can build a house, can raise 2 girls, and people never understood it. And sometimes people will be jealous, will be showing some hate. I think we should stop doing that. Why can't we just be happy for one another and stop being jealous? Everybody has his time of blessing. Mine might be in a year, yours might be in 2 years, I don't know, but we have to be proud of for one another, okay? Not be against each other. So let me know if you can relate, but it's so sad. So yeah, this video is becoming long than I expected. I'm going too much into my emotions right now. Number 7, what other country would you like to visit? I would definitely love to visit Equatorial Guinea, because I was born in that country. I left when I was a baby. And I would love to visit it because I hope to meet my biological father. I know him by pictures, but I haven't met him. We don't have a great relationship, but still I know he is my father, and I would love to see him at least before anything happens to me or to him. I want to die knowing who my father is. Oh God. This is turning into some emotional stuff. I would love to visit the country where I was born, and just have the chance to meet my biological father, at least before I die or before he dies. That's what I want to do. Last question. Sorry guys, this is becoming too long and too emotional. Whew. Number 8. Would you go back and live in your country? Would I go back to Rwanda and live there? Yes, why not? First, I want to make sure I use this opportunity of living outside of Rwanda, of living in Europe. Of course, it's a great experience. I want to go back and I want to bring something to my country. I don't want to go empty-handed. Not a lot of people get the chance to live in other countries, so I want to go back to my country with something valuable for my country, for my community. But I would definitely love to live in my country. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and it's possible. I'm sure it could be great. But yeah, that was the last question. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate, leave a comment, follow me on my social media, ask me questions, and of course don't forget to click subscribe. And until next time, I love ya. Bye guys.